Hello, in front of me I have DOOGEE S90 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have screen record icon, and to start the recording we just tap on it. As you can see here, we are recording now. We can just do whatever we want on the screen. And once you're done recording, just tap this flashing button right here. As you can see, it was saved to the storage. Let's open the gallery now. Here we have screen record folder. Let's open it and let's play it. As you can see, here we have our screen recording. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.